A lot of people are afraid of getting adjusted. They're afraid of the noises or the cracks that they might hear from getting adjusted by the chiropractor. So one of the alternatives that we have here at Posture Perfect Wellness Center is called the Pro Adjuster. The Pro Adjuster is a device that we use that elicits an impulse, and we put this on trigger points on the spine or on the body. The Pro Adjuster also comes with protocols here on the computer screen, so it tells us where exactly to be placing the instrument. Right now it's telling us to place the instrument on this area of the neck right here. So we put the Pro Adjuster right here. Now this is just providing impulses, and while it's providing the impulses, it's giving us a diagram of the pulses and the tension in the body. And now it's indicating to us to go on different areas of the shoulder. This is actually for cervical range of motion, and it stops when the computer recognizes that the tension within the shoulder has dissipated. This is a great alternative to getting cracked. It's also an adjustment, it's considered an adjustment, and we use it here for patients that are afraid of getting cracked.
Put advanced technology to work for you. Contact Dr. Lohr at the Posture Perfect Wellness Center. www.postureperfect.net 972-792-0204